This broadcast is being transmitted at the request of the Emergency Broadcast System from civil authorities. Researchers at the U.S. Department of Anomalies confirmed that the Red Eye Man is now attacking any victims that are not armed with a gun or a knife. With this recent news, it is mandatory to be armed with a gun, a knife, or both to survive. Not doing so will result in your death. If you do not have any firearms on you, go to your nearest gun store immediately. In order to make it home safe, be extremely careful going outside. Do not trust your gut if it tells you to remove house protection and not be careful, as it could be the entity manipulating your gut. If you have a gun or someone living with you has a gun in your home, take possession of it and arm yourself. If you do not have any ammo or have a low amount of ammo, walk to your nearest gun store. Do not use vehicles of any kind, as it will alert the entity. This concludes our broadcast for tonight. Stay safe and stay alive.